Top 15 Superfoods to eat daily for optimal health. Have you ever heard of a superfood? Do you know why they're called this? The term superfood means that the food is rich in a variety of nutrients. They are extremely beneficial to our health, which in turn improves our quality of life, since they help prevent disease. They contain powerful antioxidants, fight free radicals that attack our cells, and slow the premature aging of organs and tissues. Therefore they are considered powerful allies of our health, meaning we should consume them regularly. You should consider including these foods in your diet, if you want to improve different parts of your organism, such as your bones, vision, and the functioning of your brain, in addition to other health benefits. Here are some of these superfoods. Eggs. They are full of vital chemicals such as choline, for a healthy mind. Rosemary. Its scent helps our brain and memory to function better due to their substances. Beet. This root is amazing at detoxifying our body. Avocado. Avocados are rich in numerous fats that can be beneficial to our brain and circulatory system. Fish. Eating more fish will improve your omega-3 intake, thus benefiting not only your memory but also your cardiovascular health. Cranberries. Chock full of antioxidants, they are considered great for young brains. Whole grains. Complex carbohydrates are extremely healthy for our digestive system since they have a rich source of fiber and omega-3. Green tea. It is believed that drinking green tea improves brain capacity and memory. Tomatoes. They are rich in lycopene, a thick and unusual antioxidant supplement that protects our brain from free radicals. Dark chocolate. It contains antioxidants and caffeine that can improve your concentration and the performance of your brain. Turmeric. Turmeric is a potent anti-inflammatory, since it is beneficial for blood circulation in the brain, and also improves memory. Nuts. They are a rich source of omega-3, which keeps your brain cells healthy. Apples. Apples are rich in antioxidants and help preserve your bones, as well as your ability to walk, climb and move. Onions. Onions contain nutrients and substances capable of preventing and minimizing the symptoms of a number of diseases such as diabetes, hypertension and heart problems. Coconut water. Coconut water has mineral salts that are essential for those who practice any type of physical activity. For more our programs, click on the link in the description.